Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on getting your Mac to search the entire Mac by default, instead of the current folder when making searches on Finder. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Depending on your current settings, when you hit the search box in Finder, or hit Command and F to search, it will search either within the folder you are currently in or the entire Mac. Here is how to customize this. When Finder is open on your Mac, click the Finder tab at the top left of the screen, and then select Settings. In Finder Settings, click on Advanced. Here in Advanced Settings, look at the bottom option. It says when performing a search. Click that option and change it to Search this Mac, or Search the current folder, whichever one you prefer. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.